We got the monkey. Her name is Joy. She's giving birth on November 3, which is my grandma's birthday. Say hi. Oh God. No, that's the camera. That's my phone. Eh. She likes me. Look. She can take wrappers from me, guys. There's nothing in there, okay? There's a wet biscuit. Fridge. She already ate yesterday and today. And she broke her water dish. Where was that? I don't know. Where was that? Right, baby? Say she broke his water dish. Her water dish. I'm super excited for her baby. It is gonna escape because it doesn't have any. Right, Joy? Good girl. She tied herself up. Look. She spins around all the time. I'm so happy. I woke up yesterday, 7 a.m. because I thought we're gonna buy her at 7 a.m. But it arrived in 5 p.m. or 4, I think. Hey, you. No. Oh, no, God, no. Don't bite it. She took a bite of the... Hey, don't bite that. No. Stop it. Hey, Joy. It's YouTube. And you're gonna... She's trying to pick up... Ah! Oh my! Shoot! Joy, no. Bad! Shoot! No, look what have she done. Oh God, you can't guys see. Look what she ripped off. We'll be right back. So we're gonna be not doing it again. Don't put phones in front of your monkey because they're gonna break. Right, guys, you're gonna see some of my videos. We're gonna let go of Joy and she's gonna play around. Oh, there's her water dish. She ripped the bottom part off. You beanie. Look what you done to the camera, loop. Snorkel like it's my watch. Oh, did I scare you? Oh, it's a short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Ah! Oh God. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.